Hey guys, it's Allie, and I'm gonna do another tutorial for the song Old Town Road. I just uploaded this video a couple of days ago, and it seems to be like all the rage right now, so I just figured might as well put out a tutorial for it and show you guys how I signed it. So let's just jump in. So the first words are, yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the Old Town Road. So you say, yeah, I'm gonna take, so I'm gonna take, so I just put like ride, and this is like the way that you would ride a horse. So that's the position that I have the person and the symbol for a horse, ride. So I'm gonna ride my horse, where? To the Old Town Road. So Old Town Road. I'm gonna ride until I can't no mo. So I'm gonna ride till I can't. So I said I'm gonna keep riding. So again, ride until I can't finished. I can't, and then you say I'm done. I'm gonna take my horse to the Old Town Road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. So again, the exact same thing. So I'm gonna take my horse where? Old Town Road. I'm gonna ride until I can't finished. And then it goes to say, I got the horses in the back. So horses I have over there, so you'd say in the back. Horse tack is attached, so you'd say horse tack, which I believe is like the saddle and like equipment for the horse. So I just did horse, and then I did that little showing where the horse is and just what you would put on it. Horse tack is attached, so connected. Hat is matte black, got the boots, that's black to match. So hat, black, and then say, and then have boots, and I think I did color match, or you could be like boot color same, but I just did like match, they match. I'm gonna scoot back, I feel like I'm so close. And then riding on a horse, ha. So again, you're gonna see this a lot. Riding on a horse, ha. You can whip your Porsche, so I just did. You can show off your, and I just spell out Porsche, or P-O-R-S-C-H-E. And then I've been in the valley, so I ride where? Valley, so it's a hill and then a downhill. And then you ain't been up off that porch, so I ride where? In the valley. You, keep forgetting the lyrics. You ain't been up off that porch, so you never leave your house front, because I don't know the sign for porch, so I mean that's basically what it is. It's like your house, the front of your house, you never leave. And then it says, can't nobody tell me nothing. So you just say, can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Riding on a tractor. So this, I did a different symbol for, this was horse, but this is gonna be like a car. And this is the person sitting in it. So I did riding where tractor, so a big truck. It's not really a truck, but I looked up a couple different signs for tractor, but that was like the most basic. So tractor, riding on a tractor, lean all in my bladder. So I just did I'm filled with, on my insides, I'm filled with pee. Because to be honest, I don't even know if that's what they're saying. Cheated on my baby. You can go and ask her. So I cheated. This is the same for cheated. I cheated on my baby or my sweetheart. You can go and ask her. So that's the same for ask. To ask questions, ask you, ask me, ask them, in whatever direction that you're sending it. So you can go and ask her. My life is a movie. So my life, movie, bull riding and boobies. So I think I did bull riding. So again, the same symbol I used for the horse, riding, bull, riding, and boobies. So I just did chest. Bull riding and boobies. Cowboy hat from Gucci. So cowboy, so like a couple guns showing a cowboy hat from, or you can put like name, Gucci. I would put from because it's like a company. So from Gucci. And Wrangler on my booty. So I did pants, two legs going down, just showing pants, and then you put Wrangler. You just spell those brand names out. Can't nobody tell me nothing. So again, can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the Old Town Road. So yeah, I'm gonna ride my horse where? Old Town Road. I'm gonna ride, so keep riding until I can't finish. And then just repeats itself. I'm gonna take my horse where? Old Town Road. I'm gonna ride until I can't finish. And then that's the whole song, the I sign. I know that there's like another version or more to it on some, but that's the one that I did. So I'm hoping that this was helpful and taught you how to sign a version of it. And there's many different aspects, many different versions or interpretations. This is just the one that I did. So hopefully this helps teach you signs in some way or to help understand my interpretation of it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.